Whether you're storing a motorcycle for winter, maintaining a classic car, or keeping your daily driver ready to go, a healthy battery starts with the right charger. Welcome to the Type S Garage. I'm Isaac, and today we're going to be taking a look at our new family of battery chargers and maintainers. This lineup is designed to charge, maintain, and help recover weak batteries for a wide range of vehicles. This makes it easy to charge and maintain multiple battery types with confidence. Type S battery chargers and maintainers. Our battery chargers and maintainers include 3 different models to fit different charging needs. The 1 amp dual voltage battery charger and maintainer is ideal for motorcycles, power sports vehicles, lawn equipment, marine batteries, and stored vehicles that need long-term maintenance. The 5 amp battery charger and maintainer delivers reliable, everyday charging and maintenance for cars, trucks, SUVs, boats, and recreational vehicles. And for drivers wanting faster charging performance, the 10 amp battery charger and maintainer provides higher output for charging larger capacity batteries and reducing charging times. All 3 models support today's most common battery technologies. For traditional lead-acid batteries, included flood or wet cell batteries, simply use standard mode. AGM and Jump Batteries use a dedicated AGM charging mode, while lithium iron phosphate or LFP batteries use lithium mode. Smart charging technology continuously monitors battery condition and automatically adjusts charging levels as needed. Once charging is complete, the chargers automatically transition into maintenance mode to keep batteries charged and ready for use without overcharging. The 5 amp and 10 amp models also feature smart low voltage recovery. When a weak or deeply discharged battery is detected, the charger automatically initiates a gentle recovery charge before transitioning into normal charging mode. This helps restore battery readiness after storage or accidental discharge. The charger can detect and charge batteries as low as 2.5 volts. The 5 amp and 10 amp models include advanced USB-C GaN power adapters that deliver efficient, high-power charging in a compact design. GaN technology enables powerful charging performance in a smaller, lighter, and more efficient design. The included USB-C GaN power adapters can also fast charge compatible laptops, tablets, smartphones, and other USB-powered devices using integrated USB-C and USB-A charging ports, giving you even more value from a charger that's already helping keep your vehicle battery maintained. Whether you're maintaining a motorcycle battery, charging your daily driver, or powering up a large vehicle batteries faster, there's a Type S charger designed for the job. We deliver smart charging, dependable battery maintenance, and modern power delivery to help keep your batteries ready when you need them most.